So today I'm going to teach you how to get motion blur in GTA with Photoshop. So first thing first, you have to get a car first. Find a place whereas like this, got an open road with not so much traffic on it going on, and we're gonna use Rockstar Editor with this. So just go slowly, don't go too quick. This is too quick. Slowly means like something like this. I'll speed around like this. So we take a U-turn here, slowly like this, and we hit F1 to record. Keep in mind you have to like spare out like around 5 seconds at the beginning. So otherwise there'll be a watermark on the top left while we do the edit. So we got the clips. We are not driving too fast, and that should be alright. And now we go to Rockstar Editor, and we get the clips. Yep, here it is, the clips. So we're gonna take this clip, and here it is. So at the very beginning, like around 3 seconds, there will always be a watermark on top left. You don't want that in your pictures because that looks not so good. And now you want to take a specific angle of the car, so go to free camera and edit camera. And the thing you want to do in here is move with target, player, rigid, and you take this and add a camera with this. So let's say, oh, I'm not very good at taking pictures by the way, so let's say this angle, right? And we zoom in like this, and here we go. And we got this around like here. Oh, we don't want the truck and light pole, so this should be alright. So leave it here, and we're gonna set the speed to 5%. It's very important. Set the speed to 5%, and we should be great. So whatever, I didn't get it right place, so we're gonna take it here, from here, and oh, like, yeah, we're gonna take this clip to add it around here. Oh, we're gonna spare out the front part because you got a watermark on there and we don't want that. So, oh, cock. Right, and export the project as 60 FPS. Just name it anything. Should be fine, and we waited for render. We have to, and now you can see on the top left there's the watermark on there, and you don't want that thing while you're editing the picture because it just look awful. And now we got the clips, so go in here and type %app data, go back and local, and we're gonna find Rockstar game here, GTA 5 videos rendered, and this is the clip that we just got. Let's take a look. And yes, that's the clip that we wanted. And now open up Photoshop. Alright, so you're in Photoshop now. You're gonna click on Files, Import, Video Frames to Layers, and you click the video that you just took. I mean the video that rendered, and you want to select Range, but that is fine because you see on the top left, that's the watermark on there. You don't want that part in your picture, so we're gonna skip out that part and just select this bit from here. Whereas the, yep, we're gonna select here. And we're here, and you see on the bottom right, wait one second slowly, on the bottom right you got many layers, but you only need around 50 layers. So we're gonna delete those unnecessary layers from here. 51, hold shift. I mean shift, just hold shift. Not holding shift. My bad. Just click on that picture and hold shift and left click these pictures, like the last one, and you gotta select all the pictures that you don't want. Beautiful. And layers 50 to layers 1, and we're gonna shift mouse one left click and we select all the layers. And now you wanna visible, make all these layers visible, so you're gonna left click on this and drag down, so you see it doing automatically. And just one check, all the layers are selected. And now you want to go to layers, smart object, convert to smart object, and go to smart object again, stack mode to main, and here you go. And this is the edited, how to get the realistic motion blur in GTA 5 with Photoshop.